Hi everybody, it's Julia from Darn Good Yarn, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a double crochet stitch. So first you're going to make your slip knot, and then chain on any number you want. I'm going to chain on 10. And then first I'm gonna single crochet this row across. I always like to single crochet before I do any sort of other stitch just to make it easier when going in with a more intense stitch. So the second chain from the hook, just gonna single crochet all the way down. So when you get to the end of your row, instead of chaining 1 like with a single crochet, you're going to chain 2 and then turn. Okay, so the first step you're going to do is yarn over your hook, and instead of going in the second chain from the hook, you're going to go into the third chain. So that'll be your base chain. Insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then you should have 3 loops left on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So again, we're going to yarn over to start, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over again, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So what's really great about this stitch is it goes a lot quicker than a single crochet because it has double the height. So you can get a project done a lot quicker with it, which is nice. And then you're just going to keep doing that again until the end of your row. So one more time, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, you'll have 3 left, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So there you have the double crochet stitch.